Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Showing off a slick 1971 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Slick red paint with twin stripes on the trunk lid and the hood as well. That is a cow hood. You heard it come in, man. That thing sounds healthy. All compliments of the 010 small block Chevy engine in it. This car is lucky enough, and you are lucky enough, that this has AC in it, power steering, power brakes, nice clean engine compartment, battery cutoff, and those that's power disc brakes in the front, drums in the rear. Nice chrome valve covers. And again, it's been taken care of. Has a very nice and clean engine compartment. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. Check out the trunk pics and the undercarriage as well. Clean both places. Driver quality paint. Cool split bumper look. Getting back there, big Holley Carburetor, Edelbrock intake. She starts right up and sounds awesome. And again, headers down to dual exhaust. All that matched with the TH350 Automatic transmission with the horseshoe shifter. Please also hang out at the end of this video. Check out the interior pictures that I have. Gives you a better picture of kind of what's happening inside here. And it is stunning. That's all there is to it. Front, back, headliners, seats, aftermarket gauges. And she does run awesomely. Make sure you please go to CruisinClassicsInc.com to check out all the pictures that we have. Also, please check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and also subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. Again, CruisinClassicsInc.com is our website. That detailed description will give you a lot more information. Purchasing power and ready to go. 1971 Chevrolet Camaro SS with AC. Enjoy it. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.